Tuai allows you to earn coins by talking with other users. Log in and choose hashtags to describe yourself. This is your page as a host. Click on the Min Support Max Duration Importance setting and choose what is the minimum value of your time per second. What is the maximum duration of each talk? Share your Tuai link with the world so the world can give you coins to talk with you. When someone follows your Tuai link, they will see your room like this. They are the guest. The guest will choose the maximum duration of the call, an optional note, and click on join to lock coins to talk with you. For security, the guest will always confirm the transaction in their wallet. As soon as a guest joins your room, you will get a notification. Click on the talk button. We are connecting. Have fun talking.